I see the lights through a stranger's screen, laughing faces where I should have been, midnight stories I'll never know, echoes of a life that didn't slow. Every picture feels like a door, closing softly, wanting more. I'm standing outside the noise tonight, watching the world in neon light. Everyone's dancing in someone's dream, while I'm lost somewhere in between. I hear the music but I can't belong, like every moment moves along, and I fade into the quiet air, wondering if anyone knows I'm there. The city's alive, but I feel still. Time keeps moving against my will. Footsteps fading down empty streets, chasing a place where my heart still beats. Every shadow whispers my name, but nothing ever stays the same. I'm standing outside the noise tonight, watching the world in neon light. Everyone's dancing in someone's dream, while I'm lost somewhere in between. I hear the music but I can't belong, like every moment moves along, and I fade into the quiet air, wondering if anyone knows I'm there. Maybe someday I'll find my way into the colors they all display, but tonight I'm learning how it feels when silence is the only thing that's real. I'm standing outside the noise tonight, but maybe I'll find my own light, even if I'm